Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, you've been thinking about subscribing to Mr. Belle Kitchen, yes, you should. That's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving. I hope I've been getting back as much as I can. And I've been going down the list and everything. So today I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. You know Mr. Belle like to make sweets. People out there love sweets. So today I'll be making some sweet plantains. Today my ingredients is I'll be using a cup and a half of water. I'll be eyeball a little vanilla. And I'll be using a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a half a teaspoon nutmeg, a cup and a half of brown sugar. And as you know, these are the plantains. Right here, I'll be slicing these up right nice and good and everything. And I'll be doing this in the Power XL today, making these sweets in the Power XL. For all my first time viewers that don't know how to take this top off, struggling with the top, it's easy. That's all you do is 1, 2, lift it up and take it off. I'll put that to the side. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to put this on saute and get me a little boil in here. Put it on saute, and I'm going to set that for, I'm going to let it set for, I use 375 a lot. I'm going to stick with this 375 on this one. And this is my first time doing this in the Power XL. And I'm going to just hit this right here for 45 minutes. I might not use all the 45 minutes. I'm going to press start. You can always add time, but you can't take it away once you burn it. So it's good to use a little and then add time to it. So what I'm going to do for right now, I'm just going to pour this water in just like this and get this water nice, good to boiling and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be slicing them up just like this. You want to have it just a little thick so when you bite it, you can taste how good it is. It's nothing like tasting that good taste when you're cooking. When you're chewing it, you want to taste all the seasons, what's in there and everything. Get it nice and good. And I'll be cutting up all these like this. This is how you would do it. Just like this. This is my first time. And I love cooking, so I'm going to do it just like that. And put that one to the side. And I'm going to grab another one. As you see, my water is nice and boiling and everything. Picking up the steam. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start putting them in just like this. Put them in like that. I'm going to just, that's all you do is drop them in. Drop them in like that. Just tear them apart like that. I'm going to tear them apart. As you see, this right here is boiling nice and good and everything. Looking nice and good. See, that's why you didn't want too much water in there or nothing like that. But while this is cooking, you know Mr. Belle, for all my first time viewers and everything, wash the dishes as it cooking. Don't leave it for the spouse. Don't leave it for the roommate. Don't leave it for the friend. Don't leave it for your kids because they might be hungry and turn down the food. So if you wash it and everything, that way everybody can enjoy the food that you cook. But this right here, you know, Miss Belle like taking you step by step. This right here is coming out real good, looking nice and good and everything. Pretty soon I'm going to be putting a little seasoning in here and everything. I'm going to just let it cook just a little bit more. And I will be putting this seasoning together. Like I say, this is a nice dessert. Mr. Belle been coming up with some nice good desserts and everything. Everybody like dessert. Just put my seasoning in just like that. Like that. Put it in and everything. Let that just cook nice and good. And everything. I'm also going to put my brown sugar in and everything. And let that cook up real nice and good so everything can just be sizzling right in together. And I'm just going to mix it up one time so it'll be nice, looking nice and good. Just like that. Like I say, this is my first time, and it's gonna be your first time. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is cut this off right here. This is done. This is the sweet plantains. This is done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel, and I'm gonna unplug it, and I'm gonna take this out because it's done. And this is looking so good. I'm just gonna take it out like this and put it in a bowl. As you see, it's nice and good. I'm gonna just pour it in there just like that. Now that is good. This right here is a nice little dessert. You can have this with some biscuits or whatever you want to have with it. You can eat it just like this. A lot of people that know this dish, they were going to love it. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. Sweet plantains. Thank you. And if you leave a comment in the box, if you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I would taste it, but it's too hot. I don't want to burn my mouth.